Okay, resuming this example. Let's deal with this guy first. We have sigma I equals 1 up to n of just the number 3. So what is that? That's 3 plus dot, 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 dot. I'm adding up 3 with itself, and I'm doing that n times. Okay, so what you get is just 3 times n. So that's this guy. This dude is more complicated. We'll have to use some formulas presented right here. So we use these formulas. Take a second to pause and copy those. We're going to make use of this guy in the middle here. And we'll be taking this item here and plugging it right in for this. Excuse me. So let's go ahead and do that. So we get limit. We decide this is just 3n. Okay, recall up here we had the 3n for that. And then we get 32 over n squared. Then we plug in this thing circled in red. N plus 1, 2n plus 1, 6. And don't forget your 4 over n. Okay, so this is getting quite complicated. It's been complicated for a while now. Do not rush these things. Take your time. Be careful. Now I'll simplify. I'm going to move this inside. And what do I get? Okay, when it hits this guy, I'm going to get just 12, aren't I? The n's will cancel. And 3 times 4. Next one, I got 32 times 4 over 6. In my head, I go, I reduce these and get 16 over 16 times 4 over 3. So that's 64 over 3. 64 over 3, n squared times n, giving me, that is not straight, not even close. Oh, even worse. Third time is a bit better. N cubed, n plus 1, blah, 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 blah. Et voila. Okay, working this down. I'm pretty happy now because essentially I got n cubed downstairs, and if you look here, I got n cubed upstairs too, so it's going to work out in a reasonable fashion. So I'm going to give you a little tip here. Don't expand this. You're going to be tempted to, but I feel like it's a waste of time. Just remember your arithmetic rules, the way multiplication and division work together. I can take this n cubed and break it into n times n times n. And I'm just going to take one of those n's for each of the factors on top. Makes my limit much easier to calculate. Okay, now I can do the limit. The limit of 12 is just 12 plus 64 over 3. This guy just becomes 1. This guy becomes 1. This guy becomes 2. Because this 1 here doesn't really matter. You're basically just ignoring that 1. And then you can see you get 2 there. Okay, what do I get? I get 12 plus 128 over 3. So that's 36 plus 128 over 3. And the grand finale is 164 over 3. So again, take these slow and be careful.